True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm in St. Elizabeth. I'm gonna take a tour of Myersville district. So keep on watching True Jamaican Vibes, you know? Myersville is very close to Alpart, also to Gutters, Nain. So the closest town to Myersville would be in Santa Cruz town. But some people rather to go to Mandeville or Junction, all depends on what you want to get. So we're having some nice weather today, very sunny as you can see. Having some bumpy ride. And also in Myersville, a lot of farming take place over here. A lot of cabbage, tomato, pumpkin, a lot of crops. So on your right, we have the Sunset grocery store. So you know, in St. Elizabeth, we always have a little corner shop and stuff. We don't have to go like Santa Cruz, have a little corner shop where sell rice and flour. Anything you really want, you don't have to go down to the town. So we have a little corner shop. As you can see, a lot of different trees. They have your ackee tree, mango tree. So as you know, they said St. Elizabeth is the bread basket. We're heading to right now, the direction I'm going will lead us to going to Santa Cruz direction. So you're gonna have a little bit of a lonely spot. Myersville, so you have to be careful with a lot of heavy duty equipment, so you have to be very careful when driving through Myersville. How can we forget the country life in Jamaica? How can we? I know a lot of persons miss home. A lot of persons. Many persons want to come home just to visit their family, also their community, and enjoy sweet Jamaica. But because of the coronavirus, a lot of persons cannot get to travel right now. So on your right we have the Aston Primary School. And we're getting a lot of rain in St. Elizabeth, about 2 weeks or more. Every other day we have rain. are approaching a very dangerous corner in Myersville also, so you gotta be very careful when approaching this corner. Be very careful. A lot of persons run off of the road. A lot of persons. Right, you have on a hotspot bar, and also them doing some cooking over there. So on your right we have the multi-purpose center. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.